Hello everyone, welcome back to this new video. Today I will share with you a short English grammar course for beginners. Okay, in this video I will share with you only basics thing. Okay, only basic thing like tense or sentence structure. Okay, they are most important to start any type English journey. Okay, so this is only for beginners, not for intermediate or advanced level. Okay, so if you are a beginner for English learning, okay, so then watch this video till the end. So let's start. If you are new on this channel, then subscribe this channel to see more videos like this. So do subscribe. So let's start. First of all, we need to understand basics. Okay, to start our journey, let's break down fundamental building blocks of English grammar. So fundamental building blocks, what is like parts of speech. Parts of speech have all grammar topics covered. Okay, so let's see. Parts of speech. In this topic, parts of speech have covered like noun, verbs, adjectives, adverb, and other things have like next other things like pronouns, prepositions, conjunctions, or articles. So in this topic, covered by all topics like parts of speech. First of all, guys, noun. These are naming words. These are naming words are called noun. Okay, so dog, cat, house, happiness. These all things are nouns. Okay. Next topic is verb. These are action words noun. Okay, like run, jump, think, eat. These all things, all action words are noun verb. Okay. Next, adjectives. Adjectives, these describes noun. Okay, adjective words describe nouns. For example, big, small, red, happy. Next topic is adverb. Adverbs, these modifies verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. Okay, like quickly, slowly, very, extremely. I hope you understand. You are a beginner, so you only remember these topics like noun, verbs, adjectives, adverbs with examples. Okay, so dog, eat, house, happiness are noun words, and run, jump, think, eat are verbs, action verbs here, and big, small, red, happy are adjectives. Okay, quickly, slowly, very, extremely. These all words are adverbs. So let's see our next topic. So next topics here, pronouns. Pronouns, these replace nouns. Pronouns, these replace nouns. Pronouns, for example, he, she, it, they, you. He, she, it, they, you. Okay. Next, prepositions. These show relationships between words. Okay. Preposition, these show relationships between words. Okay. For example, it, in, on, at, under, over. So these words are so relationship between words. Okay. Next, conjunctions. These joins words, phrases, or clauses. These join words, phrases, or clauses. For example, and, but, or, because, since. These all words are conjunctions. Next, article. Article, this is our most important topic. So this determines specificity of a noun. Okay, like a and the. Okay, These are articles. So you must remember these topics also, like pronoun, preposition, conjunctions, articles, nouns like pronouns. So pronouns, for example, he, she, it, they, you. Prepositions, in, on, at, under, over. So prepositions shows relationship between words. Okay, conjunctions, these joins words, phrases or clauses like and, what, or, because, since. Articles, these determine specificity of a noun like a and they. Okay, so let's move on our next topics. So our next most important topic is sentence structure. Okay, so without sentence structure we can't write English, we can't speak English, and we can't understand of English any parts. So basic sentence structure consists of subject and a predicate. Okay, basic sentence structure consists of subject and a predicate. Okay, subject means a person or thing doing the action. What is subject? What is subject? Subject means a person or thing doing the action. Okay, and predicates means the part of sentence, the part of the sentence that tells us what the subject is or does. Okay, so what is predicate? Predicate means the part of the sentence that tells us what the subject is or does. Okay, for example, the cat is a subject here. Chased, chased is a predicate. Okay, the mouse. Okay, the cat chased the mouse. So chased is a predicate here and the cat is a subject here. So I hope you understand. So this is our most important factor of in English grammar. So let's move on our next topic. So next part is tense. Okay, I think you have heard about tenses. So tenses indicate time of an action. Time of an action. So there are three types of tenses like present tense, past tense, and future tense. Present tense is actions happening now. Actions happening now. Past tense, actions that happened in the past. Actions that happened in the past. Future tense, actions that will happen in the future. Actions that will happen in the future. So future tense, actions that will in the future. Past tense, actions that happened in the past. Present tense, action happening now. For example, I ate an apple. I ate an apple. So this is a present tense example here. Next, I ate an apple yesterday. Yesterday means past tense, past time, already happened. So this is a example of past tense. Next, I will eat an apple tomorrow. Tomorrow means future time. Okay, future time. So this action will happen in future time. So we can say this is an example of future tense. Okay, so I ate an apple. I ate yesterday, and I will eat apple tomorrow. So there is a symbol of tenses like yesterday or tomorrow. Tomorrow for future time, and yesterday for past time. So you can easily know that what is the time, what is the tenses here. And I hope you understand there are three type of tenses like present, past, and future. Present means action happening now. Past means happened in the past. Future tense means will happen in the future. Okay, so let's see next important topic. Next important topic is here subject types, sentence types. Okay, sentence type. Whenever you create new sentences, whenever you listen any type sentence, you don't be confused about what is what the type of sentences and what he was saying. So you don't be confused, and you have to understand the types of sentences like declarative, interrogative, imperative, exclamatory. Okay, so there are four type of sentences. First, declarative means make a statement. Interrogative means ask a question. Imperative means gives a command. Exclamatory means strong emotion. Expresses strong emotion. Okay. Exclamatory means expresses strong emotion. Imperative means gives a command. Interrogative means ask a question. Declarative means makes a statement. Okay, so let's see example. The sky is blue. The sky is blue is a statement, universal truth. Okay, universal truth is a normal sentence statement. Okay, so this is a declarative sentence here. Next, is it raining? Is it raining? So it's a question format here. Okay, so there is a question on, so we can say this is a negative interrogative sentence. Imperative gives a command, close the door. Close the door, it's a command for any person, or okay, so it's a command for any person, so gives a command, you can say this is a imperative sentence. Exclamatory expresses strong emotion. Expresses strong emotion. Okay, wow, that's amazing. Wow, that's amazing. So you can say that's amazing as an exclamatory or strong emotion here. So I hope you guys to understand there's a fourth type of sentence type here: declarative, interrogative, imperative, and exclamatory. Okay, let's see some practice. So practices like there is a fourth type of practice, like first reading, second writing, third speaking, fifth listening, fourth speak listening. Okay, so reading means immerse yourself with books, articles, or websites. So what you read? So reading for books, articles, or websites for reading, and writing a journal, write emails, and create stories. Okay, speaking, engage in conversations with native speakers or language exchange partners. Okay, listen, watch movies, TV shows, or listen to podcasts in English. So this is the fourth way of practicing English, like writing, reading, writing, speaking, and listening. Okay, you read books, articles, or websites, or you write a journal, email writing, or create new stories. Okay, and you get engaged with conversations with native speakers, or you can language you can join language exchange partners also. Okay, and you listen you listen, watch movies, TV shows, and listen to podcasts in English also. Okay, so I hope you guys you understand that this video is very useful for you, and you should follow these instructions they have given in this video. So I hope you do practice more and more, or you follow these instructions. If you are new on this channel, then subscribe this channel to see more videos like this. So if you have any kind of doubt, write in the comment box, and see you in my next video very soon.